I'm Storm Tracker meteorologist Jared Piepenburg here with AGWEEK TV and talking about our general outlook over the next couple of weeks as we continue throughout May. It's been a wet spring so far for some parts of the region, with flooding in parts of the Red River Valley and surrounding area, and just frequent rain and showers. And looks like some of us will continue that. And where we do have the wet weather, it is going to stay generally cooler as well. Although not too far away, looks like parts of the Midwest will start to warm up quite nicely ahead. So let's get into it here. Let's jump in the upper atmosphere and talk about how things are shaping up here as we head throughout the week ahead. Looks like we're going to see a dip across the west coast, over the Rockies in the upper atmosphere. And with this dip, what's going to happen here is we're going to start to see some waves in the upper atmosphere and some energy kind of flowing over the plains, northern plains, parts of the upper Midwest, which will bring chances of rain and some showers out there. These are going to be on and off chances worth monitoring here in the week ahead. And this will likely be the pattern all week long, and looks like this may even set up shop into next week as well. So this is midweek. As we head toward the end of the work week and head toward the weekend, we're still going to see some chances of showers and thunder showers potentially moving through parts of the plains and upper Midwest, where the East Coast will end up just having the ridge and some warmer air. Sometimes those disturbances do undercut that ridge and bring some showers and thunderstorms that direction. But the general pattern looks like parts of the northern plains, central plains will end up staying a little wetter, and it'll be a little warmer off toward the east. So let's talk about that. Precipitation outlook here for the week ahead. It looks a little drier down from eastern Texas up across the northeast. You see the dry is there, and then parts of the Rockies, across Montana, the Dakotas, Minnesota, looking a little wetter here for this week. And it's going to be similar in the next week as well, which we'll show you here in just a minute. As we go toward the 6 to 10 day outlook, temperature-wise, looking below average across the west coast, including the Pacific Northwest. That's where we have that dip in the upper atmosphere. East of that area, temperatures are looking warmer, which does include parts of the Midwest and kind of just southeast of most of us here. So temperatures will be warming up kind of nicely. And then the western edge of the Dakotas will be kind of that equal chance of being kind of between, below, or above. Just depends on the day. Precipitation outlook for next week, as I mentioned, looking similar here with the Dakotas, Minnesota, parts of the northern plains, upper Midwest, looking to stay a little wetter. And that's just going to be those on and off chances with that dip from the west coast kind of moving into the plains and sending those little impulses our direction. And as you notice, this almost looks like the same map, with temperatures staying cooler where we have that dip in the upper atmosphere and warmer off toward the east. So parts of the northern plains next week, kind of equal chances there of being below or above. Just will likely depend on the day coming up here. So that's the way things are shaping up. Looks like some of the wet weather will continue for the Dakotas, Minnesota, and parts of the upper Midwest.